Is NAPS2 unable to detect your scanner? Don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases it's easy to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to help NAPS2 recognize your scanner and get you back to scanning in just a few minutes. First, make sure your scanner is powered on and properly connected to your computer. If you're using a USB scanner, unplug the cable and connect it again, preferably using a different USB port. If it's a network scanner, confirm that both the scanner and your computer are connected to the same network. Next, check whether Windows can detect the scanner. Open the Windows settings or the Devices section and confirm that your scanner appears in the list. Yeah, if Windows doesn't recognize the device, NAPS2 won't be able to detect it either. Now open NAPS2, create a new scan profile or edit an existing one, and click Choose Device. Try switching between the available driver types, such as WIA, Twain, or ESCL, depending on what your scanner supports. I mean, sometimes one driver works better than another. If your scanner still isn't detected, visit the manufacturer's support website and download the latest driver for your scanner model. Installing the newest driver can resolve compatibility issues and help NAPS2 communicate with the device correctly. After updating the driver, restart your computer and reopen NAPS2. Then select your scanner again and try a test scan. In most cases, one of these steps will restore the connection and your scanner should appear normally. And that's how to fix the NAPS2 scanner not detected issue. By checking the connection, selecting the correct driver, and updating your scanner software, you can usually solve the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.